All right, beach lovers, are you ready to make the most of your beach day? Whether you're planning a relaxing day by the waves or an adventurous day in the sun, having the right beauty essentials can make all the difference. If you're planning a perfect beach day, you absolutely cannot miss out on these must-have beauty essentials. Trust me, these items will keep you looking fabulous and feeling great all day long. I promise. They'll keep you looking fabulous and feeling great, no matter how hot it gets. First up, sunscreen. This is non-negotiable. Sunscreen is your best friend when it comes to protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Go for a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30. This ensures you're protected from both UVA and UVB rays, which can cause premature aging and sunburn. I love using a lightweight, non-greasy formula that doesn't make me feel sticky. It's perfect for those hot, sunny days when you want to feel fresh and comfortable. Trust me, your future self will thank you for protecting your skin from those harsh UV rays. Plus, it helps prevent sunburn, which can really put a damper on your beach fun. Next, let's talk about hair. Your hair needs just as much protection as your skin. Salt water and sun can do a number on your locks, so I always pack a good leave-in conditioner. It's a lifesaver for keeping your hair hydrated and manageable. A few spritzes will keep your hair hydrated and tangle-free, plus it adds a lovely shine. You'll be able to enjoy the beach without worrying about dry, tangled hair. Oh, and don't forget a hat. A stylish hat not only adds to your beach look, but also provides much-needed shade for your scalp and face. It's a stylish way to keep your scalp shaded and your hair protected. Now, on to makeup. When it comes to beach makeup, less is definitely more. Less is more when you're at the beach. You want to look fresh and natural, not overdone. Opt for a tinted moisturizer with SPF to even out your skin tone without feeling heavy. It's perfect for giving you a natural, glowing look while also providing sun protection. Waterproof mascara is a game changer. It keeps your lashes looking long and luscious, even after a dip in the sea. No more raccoon eyes. It keeps your lashes looking long and luscious, even after a dip in the sea. You'll look effortlessly beautiful all day long, and for a bit of color, a tinted lip balm is perfect. It's a simple way to add a pop of color while keeping your lips hydrated. It keeps your lips hydrated and adds a pop of color. Plus, it's easy to reapply throughout the day. Let's not forget about hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial when you're spending time in the sun. A hydrating mist is a must-have in my beach bag. It's perfect for a quick refresh when you're feeling hot and sweaty. A quick spritz cools you down and refreshes your skin. It's like a mini spa treatment right on the beach. You'll feel instantly refreshed and ready to enjoy more fun in the sun. And always have a water bottle handy. Drinking plenty of water is key to staying hydrated and feeling your best. Staying hydrated is key to feeling and looking your best. Make sure to drink water regularly throughout the day. For those of you who love a bit of fragrance, a beach-friendly body mist is ideal. It's a great way to stay fresh without being overpowering. A beach-friendly body mist is ideal. Choose something light and refreshing that complements the beach vibes. Go for something light and tropical to complement the beach vibes. It'll keep you smelling fresh and feeling great. It'll keep you smelling fresh without being overpowering. A light tropical scent is perfect for a day by the sea. Lastly, let's talk about after-sun care. After a long day in the sun, your skin needs some extra TLC. Aloe vera gel is a lifesaver if you've spent a bit too long in the sun. It's soothing, cooling, and helps with healing. It soothes and cools sunburnt skin and helps with healing. Apply it generously to any areas that feel tender or burnt. And a good moisturizer will keep your skin hydrated and glowing long after you've left the beach. It's the perfect way to end your beach day. So there you have it. With these beauty essentials in your beach bag, you're all set for a fabulous day by the sea. With these beauty essentials in your beach bag, you're all set for a fabulous day by the sea. Enjoy the sun, sand, and surf, and look amazing while doing it. Enjoy the sun, sand, and surf, and look amazing while doing it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beauty tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beauty tips and tricks. See you at the beach. See you at the beach.